Hi, my name's Emily, and I'm here at the Lippert Technical Institute. Today, I want to go over how to fix small scratches or damages to your Lippert window frame. A few things that you'll need for this procedure is black automotive paint, masking tape, a microfiber cloth, a paint marker, and 180 grit sandpaper. Also, for prepping the window, you'll want to make sure that your unit is parked and powered off, your window is clean and free of debris, and you can use a rubbing alcohol to wipe the window down to make sure all oils or other chemicals are removed so that the paint has a good surface to adhere to. When you are repairing small dings or scratches and you have your window prepped, you can use your paint marker and color in any damage that you find. Make sure you apply small, even coats with your paint marker and allow ample drying time for each layer that you apply. This will ensure that you have a good coat that adheres to your window frame that will not flake off later. The next procedure that we're going to walk through is repairing a deep scratch on your window frame. For this, you would want to prep your area by covering any section of your window or unit that you do not want the spray paint to adhere to. You do that by putting layers of masking tape over your window glass and any part of the frame that you don't need excess paint added to. After you've protected your area, you'll sand the scratch down so that the frame is even, and when the paint is added, it will not create a small imperfection in the frame like a divot. You'll take your 180 grit sandpaper and sand not only where the scratch is, but the surrounding area to make sure it's a smooth surface. Once you're done using the sandpaper and that surface is smooth, you'll take your cloth and wipe away any debris or dust that you created while sanding. Once the area is clean, you can get ready to add the spray paint to your frame. You'll do this by making sure that you have proper safety gear and that you're in a well-ventilated space. Here, I'm going to put on my safety glasses and my glove just to protect my skin. And when you are ready, you can take your black automotive spray paint and add it to the frame. Once you've applied that first coat of spray paint, make sure you have 24 to 48 hours of dry time for the paint to adhere to the frame. You may need to add 2 to 3 coats in between these drying times to make sure you have good even coverage and all scratches or damage is covered.